Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I would like to read an article entitled 6 Types of Car Insurance Coverage. Some are optional and some mandatory depending on where you live. An automobile insurance policy can protect you against financial losses if you are involved in an accident. Auto policies consist of several types of coverage, often 6 in total. Depending on the state where you live, some of these coverages may be mandatory, while others will be optional. Key takeaways: car insurance can protect you financially if you are involved in an accident that result in property damage, injuries of the date or the death of another person. Car insurance policies are made up of different types of coverage that covers different risks. Some types of car insurance coverage are required by state law, while others are optional. There are also other types of optional coverage that you may want to consider. 6 types of car insurance coverage explained. The 6 major types of car insurance coverage are bodily injury liability or BI, property damage liability or PD, medical payment or personal injury protections or PIP, collision, comprehensive, underinsured or uninsured motorists. Here is a closer look at how each one works. Bodily injury liability insurance or BI. Bodily injury liability insurance is designed to pay medical expenses for someone else if you are injured them in an accident when you are deemed to be at fault. This coverage can apply to you and anyone else listed as a driver on your policy. Property damage liability insurance or PD. Property damage liability insurance also covers you in accidents in which you are at fault. It pays for repairs to the other driver's vehicle or other property you may damage. Medical payment or personal injury protection insurance. If you or your passenger in your vehicle are hurt an accident, medical payment or personal injury protection coverage can help pay any resulting medical bills. This type of coverage can also cover lost wages if you or an injured passengers are unable to work, or funeral expenses if someone in your vehicle dies because of an accident. Collisions coverage. While property damage liability insurance pays for damage to someone else's vehicles or property following an accident, collisions coverage pays for damage to your own vehicle or property. That can include damages caused by a collision with another vehicle or hitting stationary object, such as a tree or vents. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage reimburses you for loss, theft, or damage to your vehicle caused by something other than a collision. For example, they can include fire damage, damage from hail and other failing object, or damage caused by animal. Uninsured or underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. Underinsured motorist coverage can protect you if you are involved in an accident where the driver who's at fault doesn't have sufficient insurance. Uninsured motorist coverage is meant to protect you if you are in an accident with a driver who has no insurance at all. If you are financing a vehicle, your lender may require that you take out collisions and or comprehensive coverage and keep it until the loan is paid off. How insurance coverage requirements vary by state. Every state but New Hampshire requires you to have both bodily injury liability and property damage liability coverage. New Hampshire drivers have to meet certain financial responsibility requirements to forego liability coverage. In the remaining states, there are also minimum dollar amount for the coverage you must carry. Bodily injury liability can have $2 limits, one per person and another per accident, while there's only one limit for property damage. Coverage limits are typically expressed in your insurance policy by a sequence of numbers. So, for example, if your policy has a $25,000 bodily injury liability limit per person, $50,000 a $50,000 bodily injury liability limit per accident, and $25,000 property damage liability limit. Your policy would express it as 25, 50, 25. It is important to note that the minimum coverage limits are just the minimums. You can opt to purchase coverage above those limits, and that's often a smart idea. Whether you are legally required to carry medical payment or PIP insurance, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, or other insured or uninsured motorist coverage depends on your state. And again, the minimum coverage amount you are required to have for each one can vary. Other kinds of optional car insurance coverage. Depending on the insurance company, you may be able to add other types of car insurance to your policy besides the 6 listed above. For example, that might include roadside assistance insurance, new car replacement coverage, gap insurance, towing and labor insurance, rental car reimbursement insurance. There are also scenarios that may require specialist insurance coverage. For example, if you have a classic or antique car, you may need an insurance policy that takes the car age, value, and how often you drive it into account. You could also purchase specialty coverage for a vehicle that you leave in storage, or if you use your car to our ride-sharing services. So that's all the article. Don't forget to watch my another video, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.